Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to post on Instagram and tag someone. I will be showing you in easy steps how you will do it. Go through your phone to find the Instagram application and press on it once you've found it. Now take a photo of anything you want to post. Now press on these letters to write something. All you have to do is to first write it, then the Instagram account of the person you want to tag. Finally, you can now post on your story. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.